Welcome to a RoboDemo case study carried out by the AIM Centre in Sligo and funded by Interreg NPA. In this video, we will go through the project overview, challenges, approach and findings. The client, Veris Metrology Partners, is an SME based in Sligo, Ireland, and is involved in high-end metrology equipment design and development as well as contract metrology activities. Here you can see the company's business model with a focus on metrology fixturing, test method development and validation. Veris took an open-minded approach as to how they could implement robotics into their business. This maps out the company's shop floor process. They work with many diverse types of metrology equipment. As their office technology is already relatively advanced, the focus was on the shop floor itself. Veris wished to understand how robotics could be deployed into their business in respect of tending machines, with continually changing components which would require picking from bulk pack, not necessarily presented to the robot in an organised fashion. Robots are exceptionally good at moving accurately to predetermined coordinates. However, they traditionally struggle to deal with variation in the presented product's position, and particularly where that product is a difficult shape, small or continually changing. A typical modern argument is to add AI or LiDAR vision to determine the position of a product in a tote or bag. However, in the real world, this argument rarely stands except on less complex parts, larger parts, or parts where the robot can pick with minimal accuracy, such as using flexible vacuum cups. Beyond this, the robot can struggle with pick parts at exactly the same point and orientation, without running into issues such as robotic singularity or sufficient dexterity to pick the part without collision to other parts. We conducted a site visit to the factory to get a better understanding of their particular needs. We then went back to our labs at the AIM Centre where we carried out more in-depth research into the potential options for Veris. Taking into account everything we learned during our site visit, here are the main items to consider for this use case, including labour, along with health and safety. We looked at 3 potential cobot options that would work on their factory floor. All options included various elements to consider, and each came in at the same price range. We also looked at various simple part presenting solutions for the client. We informed Veris of traditional roadblocks in terms of technical challenges related to robot bin picking, along with safety considerations specifically related to metrology equipment where the equipment is typically quite open compared to CNC mill. The advice offered included pre-processed bulk products and instead of bin picking have pre-processing tools that significantly improve the robot's ability to accurately pick parts in respect of elements such as safety. AIM suggested new possibilities via emerging technologies such as 3D safety scanners, which allow new opportunities when it comes to human interaction and working in close proximity to such collaborative robotic applications. Here you can see a demonstration which AIM created for Veris's specific needs. The Veris team intend to move forward with the R&D project looking deeper at robotics just like this for such applications. The main project findings included long-term cost benefit, a guaranteed time savings from automation, and also considered potential risk factors.
So I'm Andrew Hudson, I'm the Managing Director of Veris Metrology Partners in Sligo. So working with the team at the AIM Centre from the beginning through the early consultation stages, we met with Julie and the team on site here at Veris. They helped us scope out the project. Which then helped with forming the URS that we went to tender with. It was a very inclusive process. We were part of it all the way through, and we're looking forward to working with the team as the project progresses.